فيديو
ما اليوتيوب
يوتيوب
في أنا في اليوتيوب. إيه أنت ما في شفت أنت هن أمس. أنت همس another day of school, another day, and oh my God, يوم cold. إداج are cold. Dag are cold. Going home, guys. Finish today again. Another day finish. ليش ما في كلاس أول بطاقة؟
3 شهور ما أخذت لسه.
3 شهور.
أنا كان في اسم بابا. وما كتبت أنا. فقالوا لي إنه لازم تكتبي.
قالوا لي كده. بس حلو خلاص. يلا نروح. دورتي. Let's go. Today is a good day. ما في مطر اليوم. حلو. No. جو حلو يا. بس برد. Cold, guys, very cold. And we're going home. Another day finish for school. جوسك هون مدرسة اليوم. بس كلا الساعة 4. أنا أول رول بيت. أحسن أنا رول باص.
باص بعيد؟
بس إيه بعيد بعيد. هذا أكوي جوسك أنا هنا بيت بس ما بعرف وين. بس هنا مكان سمسم. سمسم. cold. Ada jelas kalau anak ada keda badan lega baru laughing wasn't lego.
جوزك سويدي؟ بعرف؟
ما عرفت. جوزك سويدي.
ايه كويس تتعلم بسرعة.
يريد هب انجليزي. جوزك هب انجليزي. هب انجليزي عشان الحين ما في معلوم بس سويد أنا كلام أحسن رو مدرسة هيك.
أنا ما أعرف أحكي سويدي هلا أخذ بطاقة.
سما سبروك.
إيه.
فيرا.
بس
فيلبينسكا. بعدين لتا. لتا فيلبينسكا. إيه. أوكي لتا فيلبينسكا. شفت؟ حلو. بس في هذا بيبر مال هنا.
ايه
عشان لازم في بيبر. شفت مال ايميل صورة فيه عشان يريد شوف هالصورة. اوكي رسالة موجود.
رسالة.
اوكي رسالة موجود. home time.
عشان افتح حساب بنك ما في بنك عندي.
انا في بنك.
انا ما في. هلا في مصاري يعطون المدرسة يعطون مصاري ولا لا؟
لا ما
يعطون.
ما يعطون. هذا بلاس.
لا مو انت تعطين هن يعطون.
هذا مدرسة لا بعد ما أعطي. ممكن بعدين بس الحين ما أعطوا. ممكن Christmas tree. That's a Christmas tree, guys. Fresh one. Fresh Christmas tree. It's my first Christmas here, you know. I never have the Christmas here. Yes. First Christmas in Sweden. And then we always eat there in McDo. I like McDonald's. It's very nice. Okay, it's not crowded too. Oh, you know yesterday what I did? I passed by yesterday in, you know, in H&M. Yeah, I did pass by yesterday in H&M. Yeah, they don't have sale. Which one? Tattoo? Oh. Not now, later. Yes. It's.
I get money from government. So when I want to buy something, I don't need my hand.
Yes. Because you get it for from your kids' allowance. Usually, how much they give for one child? Drink of the month. 39. 10,000. Like a little bit. Oh, there's also Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Look, they put Christmas tree also. I love the Christmas tree. Like maximum, little bit. Something to survive for the kids. Yeah? Christmas tree. They put it. I think they just put it. But there's no light yet. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
You'll show them this bad house.
Yes.
I was there when they were putting them.
Which one?
This up on the tree.
Really? You were here?
Yeah, I was here.
Ah, they have already. Oh, those are bulbs.
But yeah, that's Bad's house.
Oh, okay.
We always push during winter.
Ah,
You can pass even through here.
yeah. There's a nice one. So they just put it. Okay. My husband said, if you want, wait for me, because my husband finished at 4 o'clock. Yes, today I said I will go, because last time I waited for him until 4 o'clock and I was too tired. I said I will go home and then I'll wait you home. I said okay. So I did not wait.
Waiting is hard.
Yes. Hello guys, finally I am home. It's quite cold. Lamig ngayon guys, super cold today. But before I came home, bago ako umuwi, dumaan pala ako dun sa ano guys, sa second hand store. Pagtingin ako ng winter jacket, wala man, may nakita kasi ako nung isang araw dun. Kukunin ko sana, kaya sabi ko, wag na lang muna, baka may bagong display. Kaya wala silang mga bagong display. Laging yung mga nakukuha ko dun, mga lumang display, I mean, ano. So, yan guys, today, another day is done. Tapos na naman ang klase. So, alam niyo guys, today, may kwento ko sa inyo. Yung ginawa namin sa school, pang second week na namin ngayon. So, ang ginawa namin today sa school ay parang ni-recall namin yung ni-recap namin yung mga lesson namin last week. So, binigyan kami ng, they give us a surprise test. Yung guys, tawag nito? Surprise na exam. Hindi namin alam na may exam kami. Yung quiz, parang quiz lang ba sa atin sa Pilipinas. And then, we got the surprise exam. It's like, today we did the mathematics today we did. Because last week we learned like how you introduce yourself. And then, mga dates. Ganun. So, ang in-exam namin ay nag-exam kami ng date. So, parang, minsan kasi hindi ko naiintindihan yung accent ng teacher. Kaya lang, pag hindi mo naintindihan, pwede mo nang sabihin na, can you repeat it? Yan. So, you can ask the teacher, pwede mo pang i-repeat yung question. So, yan. Yung first exam, yung nakuha ko doon, 8 out of 10. So, may dalawa akong mali kasi hindi ko naintindihan yung number. Minsan nakakalimutan ko yung number. So, I have 2 mistakes on the first exam. And then, we did again the second exam after that one. We did the second exam and then I got again 8 out of 10. So, it's not bad for the first time. It's not bad for the first time. And then, pinagawa din kami ng teacher namin today ng ano. Pinagawa din kami ng teacher namin today ng there's like 20 question yo. 20 question. Kailangan mong sagutin yun without any ano na lang. Yung mga sample, yung mga di ba may pag ano sa loob ng klase, di ba pag ano may take note tayo. So, ano, binigyan kami ng paper. Tapos, 20 na question, kailangan mong sagutin yun na hindi ka tumitingin sa mga notes mo or ano. Basta kailangan mong sagutin yun para malaman nila kung ano, kung may naintindihan kayong lesson last week. Parang if you understand the lesson last week. So, yeah, you need to answer that one. And then, yeah, meron naman akong mga nasagot ko naman, kaya lang yung tamang pag-compose ng sentence, hindi ko pa masyadong kabisado. Nahirapan pa ako dun. Kasi, di ko alam, minsan nakakalimutan ko yung paggamit ng pa, yung pu, tapos yung in, har. Ang hirap. Tapos meron yung mga vowel nila dito. Pinagawa sa amin lahat yung mga vocabulary nila, mga vowel nila. Tapos yung parang u. Hindi ko kaya. Parang hirap yung i. Like i, e, u, something like that. Ang hirap. So, pinapractice sa amin yun. Tapos, tawang-tawa sa amin yung teacher kasi lahat kami din namin masyado pang yung u lang yung kaya namin. U, then a. And then, yung pinakabagong subject namin is yung singular and singular lang muna yung ano namin. Then, tomorrow yung plural. Mga nouns, mga ganun yung ano namin ngayon. So, yes guys. Minsan nakakalimutan ko yung word. Minsan pag yung nasa loob ka na ng klase, pag nagsasalita na yung teacher mo, parang ang hirap-hirap yung maintindihan yung ano. Pero pag once na may mga words ka nang naiintindihan, kasi araw-araw yun naman ang sinasabi niya, araw-araw yung mga sinasabi niya na parang listen, look, and then finish, and then next, parang ganun, so maintindihan mo na yung ibig niyang sabihin. So, tomorrow, parang yung lesson namin tomorrow is plural. Plural yata yung mga namin bukas. So, yan. Enjoy naman yung pag-aaral ng SFP guys. Kaya lang minsan nga, kailangan mong pumasok araw-araw kasi pag once na hindi ka pumasok ng kahit 2 araw lang, parang ang dami mo nang mamimiss. Kaya parang advisable talaga na you need to go everyday to school. So, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!